Hey, it's Jonnae and I'm back with another video, and today I'm gonna show y'all how I do my drugstore foundation routine. Everything that I use is from the drugstore, not like from Morphe. No, it's from the drugstore, so you can go to Walmart and get it. I went to Walmart, Target, stuff like that. My finger is bleeding. I hit it on my desk. So first I'm gonna show y'all some stuff that I didn't use in the video. I'm probably gonna return this because what I really wanted is, let me show you. I got this brush set from Rose Techniques. It's this one. I got this from Walmart and it was $12.99. And that's what I was looking for, but I didn't see it in Target. This one was $10 and you get 5 brushes. You get the eye contour, small and group blending. You get a flat eyeliner and you get an eyebrow brush. But I don't really want this one. I might keep it. I don't know. But the Real Technique one was what I was looking for. So yeah. And I also got this Total Face Sponge from e.l.f. I already have like the Camo, the concealer one. So I got this because people be raving. I pick it up because I like sponges and it was cheap and it was the last one. So I was like, I need it. So now we can just go ahead and get into the foundation routine. You feel me? Feel me? Okay, so let's get into it. First, let me put on sunscreen. I never use sunscreen like most of the black community. Because I didn't think it was necessary. This the one I bought. Is this good? I hope it is. It was like $7.99. I heard that it says lightweight, clean feel, water resistant for 80 minutes. Dermatology. I've heard that like Neutrogena got like the best sunscreen. I just didn't know if it was this one. I hope it was because this was the cheaper one. So this is the one I bought. But I heard sunscreen. Ooh. I feel like this is what people don't be wanting. Like it leave a blue tint. But yeah, I don't care because we're gonna pile that foundation on top, hunty. Yes, we are. You need to use sunscreen. And I recently, if y'all can't see, I got a bunch of dark spots. And I hear like when you go in the sun without sunscreen, it makes them worse. So that's one thing I got. I got that from Target. That was $7.99. Matter of fact, let me put on my primer. I've been using this e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer. It's fine. See, this is like my big problem right now. I don't really put a lot of makeup on my forehead or do too much up there. Because one, I have that little swoop. But at the same time, but you don't want to put a lot of makeup on your forehead because it shows. Like that's the first thing that show people like, oh shit, she got a lot of makeup type shit. So really excited to show y'all. Let me show y'all because I was not even want to get this. Like walked into Walmart to get something totally different. But I seen they had these on clearance. $5.20. So I bought $5.25 and $5.30 because I felt like $5.20 might be a little light for me, but I don't know. I'm gonna try it and see. But yeah, they had them on clearance, and I'm like, $5.30 might definitely be too dope. Like, but then again, it might not be. That's $5.20. I feel like I could probably mix $5.20 and $5.25. $5.30 might just have to wait for when I get darker. See that? How the fuck is $5.25 lighter than $5.20? Oh no, it's not. I feel like $5.25 might be my shade, y'all. What y'all think? I feel like it's $5.25. $5.20 is really just like a little bit too red. Am I going to use both of them? Yes, because I already pumped it, but I think $5.20 is I mean, I think 525 is it. Like, but yeah, I just go into Walmart day on fucking clearance. Girl, you know I grabbed all them because I wanted to try the next shade down anyway. Like, I was like, I want to try another shade. Tell me why. And mind you, I seen these in Walmart. Tell me why I'm in Target and I was thinking about buying 525, but I was like, I ain't gonna do it. Fuck it. Okay, coverage. Okay, finish. Like, what?
Was lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
And I'm not taking no additional product on my forehead. That's how you keep that shit looking nice. Just use this on your brush already. And let me know if y'all want me to do a high-end makeup tutorial. I mean, like a foundation routine, because I got my products coming in from Sephora.
Beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah.
And you do the nose. You want to make sure that's, ooh. You want that to be super straight. The forehead. You gotta balance out your face, sis. Like, you got to. You got to. But I love doing my Cupid's bow because my Cupid's bow is not that pronounced.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much.
As much concealer as these, like, as people be putting on their face, you really don't need that much. Or at least I don't use that much. You know, to each his own. Do whatever you want. It's your face.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides.
Like, you see how and I didn't use, like, I mean, it's still a lot of concealer, but like not the whole, you feel me?
Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture.
It's like one of the darkest shades they had. This was like one of the darkest shades they had in the Maybelline Fit Me powder. I mean, I got it for my under eyes, so it wasn't that big of a deal. But I'm just saying, like, this is $330. This one that I use for my face is $362. So, damn. Like, yeah. But basically, I'm going to use... This is something else I learned from Makeup Area, like using a foundation powder to set your face and your under eyes. Like, that gives you a more, like, flawless look. Like, so I'm gonna use this one. This is in the shade Toffee. This is $330. Set my under eyes. Yeah, but see how I just give you, like, bitch. No, the fact she didn't. And it gives you more coverage. So, like I was saying, you don't gotta use that much concealer because you're getting a little bit more. You're getting a little something, something from the powder. You feel me? They tell me you don't see my face. Like, look at my face. She's snatched. Like, she's definitely snatched. This is totally optional, and this powder is not drugstore, so use the Coty Airspun powder. I hear that powder is good. I don't have that powder. You should put a light layer of that powder under your eyes to give you that, like, snatched look. You're gonna go in and bake your under eye. Like, that's gonna, like, really snatch you.
I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad hat. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that. Yeah. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty.
So I got a blush, one of the Maybelline Fit Me blushes. This is in 30. I'm wanting some blush. Like, I don't have no blushes. Oh, she got a little sparkle. Okay. But yeah, I don't have no blushes. But I'm gonna try to keep my blush back here, kinda. Like, I'm not gonna take it farther than, like, right here, because I wanna keep it that look. But, like, you take your blush wherever you want. Oh my god, I love this blush, y'all. Yo, this is the blush I've been looking for. Like, do y'all see that? And don't be scared to go ham with y'all blush. Like, blush is the first thing to go. Just, you think you be going ham and then you look and the shit is off your face. So, y'all, why is this blush really like that? Like, $4? Well, no, it was probably like, I think it was $5, but like $5, a little bit on the temples because I like it so much. A little bit on the tip of the nose. Don't y'all love how I said a little bit and then just like did that for 30 minutes? But it's not, oh my God, I love that. I love this blush. Oh my God. Yes. I mean, that first powder we used, the toffee, since it's on my highlight areas. But I'm only gonna take a tiny bit and put it, just like, and just use it to wipe off your bake. And if you feel like your face is too powdery, like if you got dry skin or something, and you feel like your face just got too powdery, just use some setting spray. Like, it's no harm in that. I'm gonna put on some eyelashes and I'm gonna come right back. Take this palette. This is the e.l.f. Glow Gleam in dark, and I'm gonna put just a little tiny little bit of highlight on my nose. I'm gonna take this shade in the middle, dunk it in there, and I'm gonna do button nose. I'm gonna do my Cupid's bow too. I'm over the highlight on the side, so I don't really do that no more, but I feel like the nose highlight just, it gives you, yeah. So, oh, if y'all wanna know what lashes I got on, it's kind of hard. It's some Salon Perfect 614s, and I stacked them on top of these AliExpress lashes I got. If I can, I mean, no, matter of fact, they're not AliExpress. I got them off Amazon. So I'll put the link in the description. I got this NYX Butter Gloss and Praline. We're gonna see how that look today. This not, I'm gonna have to use the whole tube to get what I need. So that is just like, okay. Not really feeling just that by itself. I use this. It's like hair store lip gloss. It's like my shit. It gives me like, gives me what I need. What I need, not what I want, honey. Like, honey. Honey, like that face, that blush. The thing I'm like most living for right now is my blush. Like, I always live for me and lashes in general, but like my blush. Spray our face. Try not to spray your eyes. It's going in, spray my eyes. Look. This is what we're giving. This is the face. Get into the face. Get into it.
Damn! She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.
I'm enjoying my drugstore foundation routine, and let me know if y'all want to see a high-end one. I'm gonna have a Sephora haul coming for y'all, so make sure you subscribe. Because like a lot of y'all don't be subscribing, and just like let me know what's going on. Like, yeah, like why you not subscribing? Trying to get to 1,000 by the end of this year, like at least 1,000. Period. So you need to subscribe, help this out. And if you made it this long, comment same shirt. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment. I make videos every Sunday, and I'm thinking about starting to do Wednesdays. I mean, this probably went up on a Wednesday, so yeah, but you definitely get them every Sunday. So yeah, you're gonna see me. Bye, and I'll see you on Sunday.